One, two, three. So we got this merch. And I'm just here to talk with you. Why are anime fans so shy? Or in the theater right now. So guys, how was the movie? What would you rate out of 10? 11.
Hello guys, welcome to the vlog.
Yo guys, I'm Swaj Josh Shafiq and I am at VR Bengaluru today. Here, I hope you can see it. So I actually came here to watch the Demon Slayer movie. It's a screening, it's a special screening though by BAC. So if you actually watched my previous vlogs, you will know what BAC is actually is. Bengaluru Anime Club. Say hi to the camera.
He's very late. Already we are getting late.
It's fine. You got the tickets, no?
No, I got the tickets. I have to get a merchandise.
Merchandise. What's up? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
You're setting. Hi Davarka. So much hard working.
You have to get this one.
I got this one.
Go.
Hi. Hi, good. So we got this merch. Right? And this one. What is this?
This PC card. It's a ticket.
This is a ticket. What is there in it?
Which one?
This one, this card.
This is the character is there.
Oh, this is a Pokemon card.
That is
Ah.
a Pokemon.
Then what?
Yeah. It's a
Demon
Pokemon.
Slayer.
Yeah, Demon Slayer Pokemon card.
Oh, that crow.
Yeah, that Suva's got Zenitsu
I got Zenitsu.
and we got
The simp guy.
full of characters.
Okay.
And I can explain.
You're excited.
Of course.
What's your favorite anime?
Should be Demon Slayer.
It's Demon Slayer. So who's your favorite character then?
Ujiro.
Mujiro.
Mujiro.
Kaun hai Mujiro? Which that guy or?
That's the one.
Oh, this guy. Ah,
That green
the introvert guy. Yeah, okay.
Self-
Bro, I forgotten all the names of the characters. So like, I'm actually fraud anime fan. You had come to BF. You don't want to be in the camera. Leo, blur your face. Why are you hiding? Leo, you won't come. And I'm just here to talk with you. Okay, why are anime fans so shy?
Bro, take a photo.
Excited for the movie? Yeah. Super excited. To see whom? This girl?
This girl also.
Yeah, this girl.
Yes.
They are excited to see the plot.
Look here.
They are excited for the plot.
How is the vlogging going?
It's going all right. I'm recording in the back camera. Okay, fine, it's coming.
Full consent. Full consent.
Consent. No consent. I will invade people's privacy. Oh, you're wearing a t-shirt. Show your t-shirt.
It's
Yome Hamijima. I actually am bad at remembering names. Hi. What's up? How are you? Yo, hi guys. Hi. I'm Swaz Josh Shafiq. I'm just vlogging, that's it. Yeah. Huh? What happened? I'm tall. Yeah.
You're super tall.
I'm super tall. Just fix. That's it. We are in the theater right now to watch Demon Slayer Infinity Castle movie. Is there any seat empty at the back?
俺の心はマキマさんだけのもの
Say hi.
Hey, sup, hello.
Say hi.
Are you still vlogging?
Huh? Yeah,
Crazy.
vlogging. I'm gonna do full vlog.
Yeah.
Bro, is there any space at the back? I'm sitting in the front row, okay? I'm not able to even see the
There's
subtitles.
a seat
Quite
next to
also.
me that's empty.
It's there, empty.
Yeah.
Which is the seat?
It's my.
Hello. How's it going?
I know that.
Bro,
Voted green.
the only thing
specifically for this.
I like about Demon Slayer are the fights and animation. That also is not able to see. I'm sitting in the front camera. Fuck.
Fuck social
Anxiety. It's actually screw. For PG, to keep it PG.
But like wrong series.
Yeah. You need to censor that. So I need to find a seat which is in the back, and hopefully I'll get one seat and I'll sit in the back. H70 is empty, right? No one was sitting over here, no? Okay, cool. I'll sit here. Oh, that is empty, okay. So I'll keep this seat now for me. Finally, I can enjoy the movie. Okay, you announce it. It's recording. Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, guys, on a count of 1, 2, 3, let's scream BAC, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Just pose. I'll video capture. All the cosplayers, say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Hi. Bye, Muzan.
Bye, Muzan. So, guys, how was the movie? Awesome. It was good. What would you rate out of 10? 11. The movie. It was good. What would you rate out of 10? 10 on 10. 11. You would rate 11. Okay, great. What you guys are doing now?
Sorry?
What you guys are doing now?
Cosplay show.
Cosplay show.
Break dance.
What's the movie, guys?
Really good.
It was good.
Yeah.
So, what would you rate from 1 to 10?
10, no, 11. Oh my god.
11.
I would give it my heart, bro. I've been waiting.
So, this is your number one movie now? Anime movie?
I've been waiting.
Even you?
100%. I've
Okay.
been waiting for the highlight of my year. 2021, 20.
Did you guys cry?
100%.
Even I cried in the first half because I was sitting in the front row.
I cried both.
Yeah.
Oh, my neck was hurting so bad.
Yeah. I think every time we need to explain about BSc, you know, for the people who don't know.
Yeah.
So I got my man Puck again. What is BSc, dude?
BAC is this anime club that we have in Bangalore. It stands for Bangalore Anime Club. And basically, we have meetups, we have screenings together. Meetups is basically where we have this venue, like last time we had Common
Yeah.
Park. And we do fun stuff together.
That was when? Last year?
No, that was a few months ago.
Oh yeah, 2025 only, no?
See, we are a club, we do fun stuff. We are about anime. So if you're an anime fan, anytime in Bangalore, come join us.
Come join us, guys. And you will get the opportunity to meet
Yeah,
me.
we give fun.
What's up?
You should tell me.
What are you guys doing now?
We are going to eat.
Eat. Eat whose head? You're a half demon now.
Yes.
So you can eat. You can eat people. Say hi to the camera. Is it the end of the event? Or is something is there?
Quiz is there.
Quiz. Where are we gonna do the quiz? Here.
Saying here.
Here.
I don't know.
Did they kick us out?
Yeah, we were screaming.
How's the movie?
Good as usual. I mean, it's like the most normie anime that
Yeah,
everyone is watching.
this was the answer I needed. Everyone asked.
I'm not a hater, okay? So don't put me in bad
Like
light.
even I'm in the same situation as you are. Okay.
Story premise building 7 or 7.5 on 10.
Yeah. Fair rating.
I mean, the real thing that takes it away is like the fight cinematography,
Yeah.
music, background score, the background music to each and every sequence, and that too IMAX experience really hits it to a different level.
So you're cosplaying as not Michael Jackson, but Muzan Kibutsuchi. But he looks like Michael Jackson. So like, when did you start cosplaying?
So it's been like around 2 years.
So you've been cosplaying since 2 years. So which was
Since
your?
I was having the idea of cosplaying for 2 years, but I actually started like around 1.5 years before.
Okay.
So my first cosplay was Toby. Can you come for the interview? We will have.
We are already in the middle of an interview.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we'll continue.
I'm looking for it, bro.
Vlog.
Look at that.
Hello guys, welcome to the vlog.
So bad,
Mewing, the mewing.
bro. And these are the people.
And here is plugging. Okay, we will continue the
Okay, the
interview.
interview. Okay, so this is Daisy. No, Ipsy. Yeah,
Ipsy.
Ipsy. Okay, and she plays Mario Kart.
Mario Kart.
You forgot you played Mario Kart.
Smash Bros, not Mario Kart.
Oh, sorry, Smash Bros. She plays Smash
I love
Bros.
Smash Bros.
So you're a gamer, you're a cosplayer,
Gamer, but I just play Genshin.
casual gamer.
Casual.
Genshin.
Ali.
Chinese gamer.
Chinese gamer.
You know the Chinese dance? Any Chinese dances?
मैं नहीं करूँगा, I'm shy.
Look here, you're doing all the mewing, you're doing all the so much Gen Z stuff she's
Bro,
doing.
she has some. You know how long she takes to make one reel? She takes
Ah.
like 3 hours to make one reel.
Yeah, I need the perfect shot.
Yeah, it happens, it happens. It actually happens. I do like 10-20 times.
Bro, you become a DOP, director of photography. Stand on a phone, you will waste 4 hours with her.
So what do you do now? You buy a tripod like this. So what you do is just
अरे
open,
people या तो ऊपर कर देंगे या नीचे कर
just extend like this,
देंगे.
keep
How much is that?
done.
How
Huh?
much is that for?
This is like 1,500.
कहाँ से लिया?
Huh?
Amazon.
Amazon.
What else?
Do it like this, done. And you stand here. You know how to do the Chinese dance?
Oh, wait. There's also
Huh? Yeah.
Oh wait,
You know this one.
Ta-ta.
So nice.
I already know. Oh, she knows all this.
I know. Catch this and catch this.
Okay, sorry.
Please. Do it.
They're not allowing.
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah.
ये काफी है ना?
Belongs to the mall. Permission नहीं है. We are certain things. You know lawyer. We have to follow our.
But we can hold like this and record, right? We are not supposed to keep it.
Why about the keeping? This is not been planned. People came for a movie. You people came for a movie.
Yeah. Hey, gonna do lathi charge.
Yeah, we're gonna be
We'll
beaten
do.
out by the mall
नहीं
security.
चलेगा.
Yeah, नहीं
गुंडा
मॉल की
नहीं चलेगा. Yeah.
Scouting us. Come, let's go.
Come on, guys, let's go. Yeah. I'm coming where there is food. Them do lathi charge. We'll get some video. Viral video will get.
Not the locking up from the management side. All boys are talking and still talking, right?
That
so we're still
one,
mingling.
The movie is done and we are in Phoenix Market City. And look, what are these people doing? You guys are eating without us. Already it's finished. Finished. Oh, you're Japanese? No. Where are you from? You're from Nagaland. Nice. But you know Japanese. Belle Ville. So we are at Belle Ville. This one, no? What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
What do you want to try? You want to try the king cake or other?
Said you're from Nagaland, right? So in Nagaland, what language do you speak?
You know Japanese?
Yeah. Watashi no namae wa Suas desu.
Watashi wa Japanese.
Now I am with Ding Dong. He's not a stranger, I know him. But I need content for Suas Outdoor, right?
So two tribes, like there's a Meitei and Kuki.
Kuke, Kuke and...
You know Meitei and Kuki, right?
Meitei and Kuke.
I know one word.
What do you know?
Naninna pretty sutini.
Thank you. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and if you guys like this video, please do drop the like button and do comment your thoughts, opinion, or just comment anything you want. I just need the reach. That's why it helps me in getting the reach. And if you're new here, you definitely need to subscribe, because it's scientifically proven the people who subscribe to Suhas George Traffic have 1,000 years of good luck. So subscribe. And that's it. That's the video for today. See you on the next video. Peace.